Ready to supercharge your ChatGPT experience? Let's dive in. Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I am gonna show you how to enable and install ChatGPT plugins. If you are a ChatGPT user, you know how powerful it is. But did you know that you can take it to a whole new level by utilizing third-party plugins? In this video, I will show you how to enable and install ChatGPT plugins so you can unlock the full potential of your ChatGPT. Here is the catch. These plugins can only be installed if you are using ChatGPT 4. Although, if you want to use plugins in ChatGPT 3.5, just ask me in the comments and I will make a separate video on how to install plugins in ChatGPT 3.5. Happy now? By the way, if you are low on budget, I already made a video on 4 legit methods to access ChatGPT 4. Okay, enough marketing. Now let's move forward. I urge you to watch this video completely. I will share some bonus and advanced level tips that you will not find anywhere. Here is a quick guide to get started. Head over to your account by clicking on your username. Support those 3 dots. Click on them. Now find the setting. Now find the setting or that cool gear icon. You will spot a tab labeled Beta Features. Click on it. Underneath, you will find options like web browsing and plugins. We are focusing on plugins today. Hit that green button to turn it on. Once it's on, you will see a check mark. Now just close the window. Boom. You can now access plugins. Want to see or hide them? Just check or uncheck the box. Feeling adventurous? Head to the ChatGPT plugin store. You can explore by what's new, what's hot, or see everything. Pick your favorite and you can have more than one. Today I am adding browser op. It's assess dozens of web pages in one query and bring the best result. It's a cool tool that helps you craft the best results of your query. Let's run a test query and see the results. Ready? Open a new chat. Hover over the plugin options and pick your plugin. It's that simple. If you need to remove a plugin, just hit uninstall in the store. Now go ahead and explore the new plugins and tell me in comments which one you find most useful. Now bonus time. If you feel stuck or want to give an alternate twist to your findings from ChatGPT 4, I advise you to visit perplexity.com. Its amazing features will leave you in an awe. ChatGPT is already amazing, but with plugins, it's next level. We are just scratching the surface here. Got questions? Drop them below. And hey, if you find this helpful, give us a thumb up, share, and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.